Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you how to read the measurement of a resistor using analog multimeter. So this resistor has five bands rather: blue, gray, gold, and black. So it has four bands. So right now we're gonna we're gonna measure its resistance. So we're gonna set the multimeter to resistance range. So the range of resistance of the multimeter is right here. So we're gonna set the scale to times 1. So we're gonna measure the resistor. So the resistor shows that it has 13 ohms. So 13 ohms times 1 is equal to 13 ohms. So we're gonna set the range to times 10. So we're gonna solve it. So the approximate reading is 9 ohms. So 9 times 10 is equals to 90 ohms. So we can set the range to times 100. So we're gonna test the resistor. So it has the reading of 1 ohms. So 1 ohms times 100 is equal to 100 ohms. So that's how it is. The accurate measure of this resistance or the resistors or the value of this resistors is equal to 6.68 68,000 resistance or ohms.